Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the corrupted file and any backups so you can compare versions. This saves time. Once these are ready, open PowerPoint in safe mode to prevent add-ins from blocking recovery and try opening the file there. If PowerPoint reports an XML error, rename the PPTX to zip and inspect the presentation folder structure. You do this to identify missing or malformed parts, knowing the exact error guides whether to extract slides, rebuild the presentation, or restore a specific document part. Once the file is extracted, open the /ppt and /ppt/slides XML files to locate broken tags, encoding issues, or missing relationship entries. These cause read errors. You can restore rels files from a backup or recreate relationships manually and replace any corrupted slide XML with a known good slide. If editing XML is risky, import slides into a new blank presentation using insert slides from other presentation. This often bypasses damaged metadata while preserving visual content, making recovery safer and faster. You finish by saving the recovered content as a new PPTX to avoid overwriting the original, then methodically check animations, fonts, and embedded media because those are frequent failure points. If media is missing, reinsert or relink files. If animations misbehave, recreate them for reliability. Make sure to run PowerPoint's built-in repair from control panel if problems persist, and if that fails, test opening the file on another machine or Office version. This isolates whether the issue is file corruption or the local Office installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.